Kashmiri Rogan Josh, a dish as captivating as the valley it hails from. Imagine tender lamb, bathed in a vibrant aromatic gravy, every bite an explosion of flavor. This isn't just a curry, it's an experience, a culinary journey to the heart of Kashmir. Traditionally, Rogan Josh was a slow-cooked labor of love, but don't worry, we've got a quicker route to deliciousness. This recipe captures the essence of the classic dish, but with a modern twist for the time-pressed cook. We'll use readily available ingredients and clever techniques to deliver a Rogan Josh that's big on flavor, but short on prep time. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a taste of Kashmiri tradition. Made easy. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our aromatic allies. Lamb, 500 grams, cut into 2-inch cubes. This is our star ingredient. Onions, 2 medium, finely chopped. They provide a sweet base for our gravy. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, the heart of Indian flavors. Tomatoes, 2 medium, pureed. They add a touch of sweetness and body. Yogurt, half a cup, whisked until smooth. This tenderizes the lamb and adds richness. Oil, 3 tablespoons. I prefer mustard oil for its distinctive flavor, but vegetable oil works too. Now for the spices that paint the Rogan Josh its characteristic hue and aroma. Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons, or to taste. This gives the Rogan Josh its signature red color, but don't worry, it's not too spicy. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon for its warm, earthy notes and vibrant color. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, lending a citrusy depth to the gravy. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon for its warm, earthy aroma. Fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon, adds a subtle licorice note. Cinnamon stick, 1 inch, infuses the gravy with its warm, sweet aroma. Green cardamom pods, 4 to 5, slightly crushed, for their unique, fragrant flavor. Cloves, 3 to 4, for their intense, warm flavor. Bay leaf, 1, adds a subtle, savory depth. Salt, to taste, enhances all the flavors. Fresh coriander leaves, a handful, chopped for a final burst of freshness. Now that our ingredients are prepped and ready, let's transform them into a culinary masterpiece. Brown the lamb in heated oil to seal in the juices. Add the lamb pieces and brown them on all sides. Sauté the chopped onions until translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until fragrant. Bloom the spices by sautéing them with the onions. Add pureed tomatoes and cook until the oil separates. Stir in whisked yogurt and cook until the gravy thickens. Add the browned lamb back to the pot. Pour in water, season with salt, and simmer until tender. Section 4. Time-saving secrets for the modern chef. In today's fast-paced world, time is precious. Here are a few tips to shave off precious minutes from your Rogan Josh preparation. First, let's talk about the power of the pressure cooker. For ultra-tender lamb in record time, use a pressure cooker. After browning the lamb, follow the recipe as above, but instead of simmering on the stovetop, pressure cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Next, consider the spice paste shortcut. Save time on sautéing individual spices by making a spice paste beforehand. Simply blend together the onions, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and all the dry spices with a little water to form a smooth paste. This can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And finally, utilize pre-chopped convenience. Pre-chopped onions and ginger garlic paste available at most supermarkets can really cut down on prep time. Section 5. Serving your Rogan Josh. A celebration of flavors. Kashmiri. Rogan Josh is traditionally served with steamed rice. The fluffy white rice provides the perfect canvas for the rich, flavorful gravy. For a truly authentic experience, try serving it with Kashmiri saffron rice called Modur Pulao. Here, rice is cooked with aromatic spices and saffron, adding a beautiful golden hue and delicate floral aroma. Garnish your Rogan Josh with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves for a pop of color and freshness. A dollop of yogurt on the side helps balance the richness of the gravy. You can also serve it with a side of Indian flatbreads like naan, roti, or paratha to soak up the delicious gravy. Section 6. Rogan Josh, a legacy on the plate. More than just a dish, Rogan Josh is a symbol of Kashmiri hospitality and culinary heritage. Its roots are said to be traced back to Persian influences, with Rogan meaning red or clarified butter in Persian, referring to the rich color and use of oil in the dish. Over generations, the recipe has been passed down through families, each adding their unique touch. Today, Rogan Josh stands as a testament to the rich culinary tapestry of Kashmir, a dish that continues to tantalize taste buds and warm hearts across the globe. So go ahead, recreate a piece of this legacy in your own kitchen and savor the magic of Kashmiri flavors.